Hi everyone, welcome back to another study session with me on Isaac physics problems. Today we're going to go through two very interesting and very basic maths problems. Here we are going to find the exact values of the two trigonometric expressions. So let's get started. So the question asks, without using a calculator, find sine of 15 degrees and cosine of 165 degrees. So let's attempt the first problem. We know that we don't know the exact values of sine of 15 degrees memorized, so we have to work it out. How? Well, we can use the fact that sine of 15 degrees is equal to sine of 45 degrees minus 30 degrees. And using the formula, you can get this boiled down to sine of 45 degrees. So essentially you have sine A plus or minus B, that's equal to sine A cos B plus or minus cos A sine B, so the angles alternate as such. So sine 45 cos 30 minus cos 45 sine 30. So sine 45 is, let's get up again. So root 2 over 2, cos 30 is root 3 over 2 minus cos 45 is root 2 over 2, sine 30 is half, and we get the value to be root 6 minus root 2, and I don't think you can simplify that further. Obviously you can do this, but it's not recommended. So let's check the answer here of sine 15 degree equivalent to square root of 6 minus square root of 2 over 4, which is correct. Now we move on to part B of the question, where we're asked to find the exact value of cosine of 165 degrees without using our calculator. So let's think about this, right? So we know that cosine of 165 degrees is equal to cosine of 135 degrees plus 30 degrees. Why 135? Well, 135 is 90 degrees plus 45 degrees. So we have the identity that cos A plus or minus B is equal to cos A cos B minus or plus sine A sine B. So this cos 165 would have to be equal to cos of 135 cos of 30 degrees minus sine of 135 times sine of 30 degrees. We know that cos of 135 degrees is minus root 2 over 2, and cos of 30 degrees is root 3 over 2. And this minus sine of 135 degrees. Well, sine of 135 degrees is root 2 over 2, and sine of 30 degrees is a half. So you get this root 3 minus 6. So root 2 minus 6 over 4 is the answer for cosine of 165 degrees. And let me just check the answer. So square root of 2 minus square root of 6. I mistyped square root of 6 divided by 4, and oh, that is not the answer, fortunately. Oh yeah, I forgot a minus sign there. Oops, in front. Always be careful. There is a minus sign, and now this is correct.